Welcome to TradeVestor Hub, where we simplify the world of crypto, Forex, and stock market trading just for you. Trading is the act of buying and selling financial assets like cryptocurrencies, Forex, and stocks to make a profit. It's about short-term gains by taking advantage of market movements. You need a reliable platform like Binance for crypto, MetaTrader for Forex, or Robinhood for stocks. Terms like bullish, bearish, pips, and leverage are essential to understand before trading. Practice trading with virtual money on demo accounts to get comfortable before risking real money. Trading out of fear or greed can lead to impulsive decisions. Stick to a strategy. Overtrading drains your account quickly. Patience is key. Jumping in without learning the basics is risky. At TradeVestor Hub, we teach you how to read charts and understand market trends. In our upcoming videos, we'll cover technical analysis, chart patterns, and advanced trading strategies. Subscribe to stay updated. Like, comment, and subscribe for more actionable trading tips. Join the TradeVestor Hub community today. TradeVestor Hub, master the market one trade at a time.